Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about our new topic that is file upload by using Playwright Python API automation testing. Okay, how we can able to upload, and this is my sample application. Okay, this is not required any authorization anything, just you can need for URL and you need to make for body, and here you need to provide the key value which is the name you want to provide to upload the file, and you need to choose the file here. The type is form data. Okay, this is a kind you need to upload the file. Okay, the most of the time, the very rare case, the companies is required for form data, and we need to choose any file to upload something into a DB. Okay, specific APIs. And in your case, if it is any authorization is required, then we are already done for authorization. How you can able to provide that barrier token and all. Just please go through that, and you can able to do it. Okay, and here is basically if you click the select, and if you provide any Excel file, image, Word or PDF, anything, we can able to click this particular one. It will give you for 200 and response like this. Okay, this request token has been expired like this. The data will be provided. Okay, no need to bother about this. A demo application, demo API. Okay, like this only. In your case, it will show you proper response. Okay, if you have a valid file upload API. Okay, just how we can able to do it. And before going to do automation, just one more thing I'm going to show you. If you are not able to get it, what type of file format you want to use it from automation side, just click this particular code one, and you can see this is the format it will provide to you. If you are using for Java, just you can go here and click on Java. Okay, you can see the format it will be display like this, file and file uploading. Without anything, it is directly accepted for UI REST, and OK HTTP it will accept for this is the format. Okay, here you can able to see request body and multi body and set multiple forms and form, and it will ask you these things. It will not require for any information. Just you need required for the file. Okay, and if you are using for Java, without Java like C sharp, you can able to click this one, and you can able to get it. If you are using Python, just scroll down, you can able to get it for Python coding, and click it, and you will get it for what format of data you are using and how you need to upload the file. Okay, everything it will display here. Just by using this format, you can able to compare in your local automation scripting, and you can able to use it. Maybe you'll get some question. We are using Playwright. How it will useful? There is no Playwright from here, right? Definitely get it. Just we are going to reference to this particular Python coding, and just we are going to recreate it. The Python, there are two sessions are there: Python request and Python HTTP client. If you click this one, and you can able to see this is the format. The similar format only we can able to use it, and we can able to update for easiest way of thing by using Playwright. Okay, this also it will accept it. Okay, the couple of things we need to modify and we need to use it, that I'll show you how you can able to do it. Okay, just I'm going to use it here, one more file, test underscore upload. Okay, and then I'm going to use it, which is the create functionality. This is a delete functionality from here to here. Here I'll paste it. Okay, this all of this sync APIs and everything. Okay, we don't want to do it for this all the things. Okay, nothing required, and the data also not required because we are going to creating a different format, and remaining thing we'll see. Okay, we are already created for the file purpose. Just I'm going to copying this particular information. I'll tell you what exactly this file is. I'm going to referring for this particular header location, and I'll pass it for that. Okay, and to updating purpose. what I'm going to do, this is the file name. Any name you can able to use it. Not only the file name, any name you can able to, any name you can able to provide. This is the file documentation name. The documentation name, it is not presented here, and I need to copy from here. This is a Word documentation, and I'm pasting here. The same name you have to copy paste here, first place. Okay, which is a file you want to upload, right? That file name you have to pass it here. And then second case is open, and here a dot indicates the current project location. JSON file is nothing but this particular file, and resume, that is my name, is what I exactly provided. RB is nothing but this is a read binary format of thinking. Okay, and this is the format we are going to mention here. And VR, which is a documentation is sending, it is without mentioning anything, it will upload it because it is take for backend that particular format of data. Okay, hidden place, it will take that data. Okay, and if you are coming to here, like you need to paste it like this: application windy.open xml and format of documentation word process, that is called documentation. This is the thing you have to pass it here. Okay, then you need to pass it from this URL also. Just I'm copying this base URL, I'm pasting here. Okay, and the remaining URL also I'm passing here. And then we need in the headers, we need to use for multi-parts. Okay, multi-parts in the post method. If you mouse over, it will give you the multi-parts here. Okay, what are the things you can able to provide? Here is file upload. This is the file upload we need to copy because we need to do it for file upload format, right? Because we are doing for file upload concept. And then you can able to use it here. File uploaded, file uploaded. The naming convention is correct, right? And just mouse over and import this one by as a sync API. Okay, by sync API like this, file upload, the name. Okay, and then you can just here what you can able to do it, this file you can able to paste it here. Okay, once you uploaded, what will happen, 200 status will be displayed. I'm displaying for status. Okay, and then I'm going to use it this format. I'll check it in the response body. What is the message which is display? Authorization access, unauthorized access. This is called response. Okay, and now you can see here in the terminal we are going to upload. See now the status got okay and status uh, text also okay, and what we are expected, that is a one. Okay, the message also it is verified. This is a Word documentation. Okay, now Excel documentation, how you can able to do it. For Excel purpose we need to do for this particular path format. This is a path. Okay, and just I'm going to make it here, pasting this particular value. Okay, but we need to copy paste for any value of that. Okay, I'm copying this name, I'm pasting here. Before pasting without space, I'm going to make it for underscore. Okay, copying this name and exit, and I'm going to make it here the name of the file, and also here also the same format. Okay, now this is my Excel file uploading, and you can see now Excel file also done. Okay, easiest way. And if you want to do for PDF, I can able to use for e-cards one. Just I'll copy this e-cards, and here also e-cards. Okay, but before doing this thing, running for this particular format, we need to update. That is called PDF format. This particular information we need to update. Just I'm going to paste it. Okay, application PDF format we need to update, and then run it. See, this application also got passed. If you want to image, right, then you need to use for this particular image slash. If you have the image by using PNG or JPG, you need to use the any one format of that image slash any one name, you need to use it. Okay, this is a complete information about for your entire thing. If you have some doubt, maybe whether it is downloaded properly or not, all the things if you want to see means you just can able to copy paste the image from here, paste it. Before pasting, I'll use it from Haven only .png. I saved it, and I using here naming changed. Okay, this called mine is like image PNG format. I'm going to make it for PNG format. Okay, saving and then run. It will pass out. See, it is passed. All the files like Excel, Word, image, PDF. These four files we uploaded by using uploading file by using Playwright API automation. Okay, I hope this particular information help for you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to share your friends and colleagues. Thank you.